I'm filming.
Oh, it's a hammerhead.
It's a hammerhead.
That's a hammerhead. Is it? That's bloody hammerhead.
Oh yeah, wait, I need you to come slide the balloon down. Film it sideways. Yes, boys.
Oh, it's a hammerhead.
It's a
Hammerhead.
Yeah, Albie. Get up, boy. Other way. What's the thing? Get up here, boy.
How the hell do we get this?
We can pull it up.
Yeah. Alright, in a minute, I need someone to hold the rod.
Got it.
I got it. No, I got the phone.
Here, give me the gaff. Someone gaff. Good hammerhead. Oh crap, wait. Give me the rod, give me the rod, give me the rod, give me the rod. No.
Not bait.
Yes. Throw that gaff in your own rod.
Yeah.
Wait, we need someone to move the balloon down or pop it. Pop it.
It's already popped.
I'm red.
Right, come hold the rod. Good hammerhead.
And you said we don't catch crackles here.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
I'm about to lose
Nah,
fresh, pretty fresh.
not today though. Alright, 2 day old. Hammerhead.
Yeah, I'm still filming.
I'm filming the. Bring it out. Was the herring live? No.
Yeah.
Half of the herring, I'm pretty sure.
Pop the balloon.
Oh, grab it by the tail. No, grab by the tail.
Oh, Jasper, you gonna pop it?
Yeah, no, don't pop it, don't pop it.
Don't pop it.
Come on, bro, this man's got so much balls for this.
I'm staying by it.
No!
No. What, the tail, wrapped around the tail and snap?
No, pinned on the jetty.
Ping tail.
No, I'm getting myself in a car.
Alright,
Hey, I thought that was so.
I'm
Catch and release, baby.